In today's video, I will walk you through how to schedule a Zoom meeting. Start by going to your Zoom Workplace dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Meetings option and click it. This is where you'll manage your scheduled meetings. Once you're on the Meetings page, you'll see a calendar view that displays your upcoming and past meetings in one place, making it easy to review your schedule. To create a new meeting, look for the plus icon on the page and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Create Event. This will open the scheduling window where you'll enter all of your meeting details. Begin by entering a clear title for your meeting. After that, select the meeting date, choose the start time, and set the expected duration. Before moving on, check the time zone to make sure it's correct, especially if participants will be joining from different regions. If needed, you can also enter a brief description or agenda for the meeting. Simply add the information you want participants to see before the meeting begins. Next, review the meeting options. For security, decide whether you want to use a passcode or enable a waiting room. You can choose the option that works best for your meeting. If you enable a waiting room, you'll be able to admit participants when you're ready. Continue by adjusting the video and audio settings. Choose whether the host joins the meeting with video turned on or off, and do the same for participants. You can also decide whether attendees should be muted when they enter the meeting. If you're creating a meeting that will happen on a regular schedule, look for the recurrence option. Select the pattern that matches your schedule, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. You may also see additional advanced options. If they match your needs, you can allow participants to join before the host or limit access to authenticated users by enabling those settings. Once you've finished making your selections, take a moment to review everything you've entered. Confirm that the meeting title, date, time, duration, time zone, and meeting settings are all correct. When you're satisfied with the details, save the event. Your Zoom meeting is now scheduled. You'll see it listed on your meetings page, where the meeting link and meeting details will also be available whenever you need them. That's all there is to it. You've gone to your meetings page, created a new event, entered your meeting details, adjusted the meeting settings, reviewed everything, and saved your scheduled Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching.